Hello everybody, this is Wedge2099 back with you. I'm going to be doing a quick little box opening and review of some things I just found. Yeah, the Transformers Botbots finally arrived in the Central Florida area. Found these in the Walmart near me. That's pretty crap place. So I found the entire case unopened. Well, it was opened on the shelf, so that just means nobody else got to these before I did. Have not opened them. I'm going to open them on camera. What I wanted to also kind of go over with you guys is there is a code on these that will let you see what it is you want. If you look here on the bottom, see it looks like it's been kind of written in ink, like an ink pen. That's number 9. This one, number 11. See, what you have to do is go to this thing called Google and type in Transformers Botbots codes, and there you'll find the list. It's in there, and these were really the only two I wanted at $3 a piece, so that's pretty nice. If I'm correct, number 9 should be the camera. So we're going to unbox it. So step 1, lift up this tab. Okay. Step 2 is flip it over and push from the back. And oh my goodness, look at that. We've got a camera. Now that camera is so dark. Even with the light directly on it, it's kind of hard to see. All right. Is there anything else in here? Yep. All right, let's get this paperwork out. That's garbage. All right, Transformers Botbots. Yeah, this is the fun part, people. All right. The camera right there, I believe. This one is Essay Cheese. Hey, Essay. How you doing? All right, enough of that. Okay, so transformation on them is you take the camera, you flip it on its side, you flip this out, flip this up, bring this over, and bring these down. And there you have SA Cheese all transformed. It is tough to get some light on that guy, but there's one. Let's tilt down a little bit. And these guys are basic. They just have a ball joint here and a ball joint here. And there's just swivel articulation on the legs. Yeah, there's just in and out, as you can see in there, and turn. Oh, is there? Okay, yeah, it does look like there's a ball joint at the ankle. Wow, that's incredible to help keep them balanced. So we're going to put SA Cheese over to the side. We're going to take out the other one. Now, if I am correct, this one is the drink right here and right here. There is on there twice. So, again, step 1. Step 2. Hey, look at that. Now, there's one reason why I decided to pick this guy, and it's pretty simple. He looks like Master Shake from Aqua Teen Hunger Force. Dude, oh, for being so stupid, that show is hilarious at times. All right. And he has probably one of the best names. He is Twerple Burple. Yeah. All right. So what we're going to do, bring him around. We're going to show off his face. Okay. To pull these side panels out, which are going to be his arms. And go underneath. Oh, that's tight. This calls for a spudger. Oh boy. Difficulties transforming. Oh, and hey, we're transforming him, so. That is from MP36. Infinite Transformation. KO Megatron. Why won't this come out? Oh my god. The struggle is real. Come on. Maybe I need to fold that up. Oh. Seriously, this shouldn't be this much trouble. Okay. Face down. Arms out. There we go. I mean, to me, it seems like it should go out more than that little bit. But maybe not. So here they are. Torple Nurple. Esse cheese. So Torple Nurple goes, hey, Esse. How you doing? Woo! Here come the downvotes. All right. Yeah, these guys are basic. They're for kids. But freaky old guys like us, Transformers collectors, seem to kind of get a kick out of them as well. So give them a look. They're showing up at Walmarts and Targets now. Hey, I've also seen reports like the 10-pack is at Big Lots. Or a 5 or a 10-pack, something like that. At Big Lots. That's pretty crazy. I have to check that out maybe this weekend, next weekend, something like that. But, hey, give me a like. Subscribe. If you don't want to, leave a comment. I'm sure I'll see a few comments on this. But, check you guys later. Hope to see you around sometime. Bye.